welcome po sa abangan nating pagbubukas ng Liga ng Public Servants, ang UNTV Cup.
Ryan, as we venture into another game, siguradong mas intense sa mga hard battle at mas malawak ang pagtulong sa ating kapwa-tao sa muling pagbubukas ng panibagong kabanata ng ating liga, ang UNTV Cup Season 5.
Sigurado yan, Rina, dahil Season 5, bukod sa 13 teams na po natin sa Public Service Advocacy ng UNTV Cup, bawat team ay mayroong very competitive player lineup na binubuo ng public servants na ating hinahangaan.
Alam mo, Ryan, since our first season naman, maraming natulungan ang UNTV Cup sa pamagitan ng mga charitable institutions na pinili ng mga participating teams. Dahil dito nga sa UNTV Cup, each team gets to choose their beneficiaries na siyang magiging beneficiary nila para mabigyan ng cash grant dito sa UNTV Cup. At alam mo nga, Ryan, over the past UNTV Cup, hindi lamang isa yung napipili nilang beneficiary. Minsan, 2 or 3 hanggang sa maabot ng kanilang makakaya.
That's right, Rina. At hindi basta-bastang cash prize ang pinamimigay natin dahil last season, the champion AFP Cavaliers received a staggering 4 million pesos para sa kanilang napiling charity na EBSO or the Education Benefit Office, kung saan sinusuportahan ito ang mga kabataang naulila na mga nasawi sa gitna ng pagganap ng sinumpang tungkulin para sa ating bayan.
Ayan, kaya sigurado this season, a much bigger, a much higher level public service ang matutunghayan natin.
Okay, and let's check out what's in all for us this season. Tingin po tayo sa taas. Panoorin natin to.
Matapos ang makasaysayang pagtatapos ng UNTV Cup Season 4, muling magbabalik ang mga kopo ng ating hinangaan upang muling magkaisa sa ngalan ng public service. Muling magbabalik ang hardcore heroes ng Ombudsman Graft Busters, GSIS Furies, DOJ Justice Boosters, Judiciary Magies, BFP Firefighters, MMDA Black Wolves, NHA Builders, PNP Responders, at ang defending champion, AFP Cavaliers. Makikiisa naman ngayong season ang bagong kalahok na koponan, ang Bureau of Customs, BOC Transformers. Kilalanin din ngayong season ang panibagong mukha ng HOR Solons, Senate Defenders, at ng Malacanang Kamao. Muling magsasama-sama, muling magkakaisa, muling maghaharap sa hardcore. Iisang layunin, iisang hangarin. Ang tunay na pagtulong sa nangangailangan. Ang tunay na paglilingkod bayan sa mas pinalaki, mas pinalawak na public service. Ito ang panibagong yugto ng natatanging liga ng public servants. UNTV Cup Season 5.
There we have it. Nakita nyo kung gaano ka-exciting ang UNTV Cup Season 5.
And I'm sure, Ryan, excited na lahat ng UNTV Cup fans na kilalanin ang mga teams and players na bubuo dito sa ating UNTV Cup Season 5.
Lahat po sa MOA Arena, pag sinabi namin, game na ba kayo? Ano ang sagot? Mahina. Pag sinabi namin, game na ba kayo? Okay, kaya di na natin patatagalin. Please welcome the UNTV Cup Season 5 teams.
Let us all welcome the 13 teams participating in the Season 5 of the UNTV Cup. First is the newest team of the league, the BOC Transformers. Next, we have the Ombudsman Graft Busters. Let's give it up for the HOR Solons.
have the GSIS Furies. Also participating in the league is the DOJ Justice Boosters. Let's welcome the Senate Defenders. And now let's give it up for the Malacanang Kamao. Next team is the Judiciary Magis. Next we have the BFP Firefighters. Next we have the NHA Builders. Let's welcome the MMDA Black Wolves. Next we have the last season's runner-up, the PNP Responders. And now the defending champion, the AFP Cavaliers.
Okay, once again, here are the 13 official making up the complete teams for UNTV Cup Season 5. Sa pakikiisa sa public service advocacy ng UNTV Cup, they are all true champions in our hearts. Palakpakan po natin silang lahat.
Nakaka-excite, Ryan, dahil mas lumalaki yung pamilya ng UNTV Cup. And before we move on, we'd also like to acknowledge the presence from AFP Brigadier General Hiner del Rosario, Rear Admiral Alan B. Basal. From MMDA, we also have Assistant General Manager Julia Nerbrija and General Manager Isek Orbos.
All right, we'd like to acknowledge the presence of Fire Chief Superintendent BFP, Bobby Baruelo, Officer in Charge. Palakpakan po natin Ian Manalo, Chief Public Information Section, Arnold Dulanday, Head Executive Assistant, Senior Inspector Ronnie Benedicto, and General Olivier Ferrer, Regional Director.
At kasabay ng pagbabalik ng mga hardcore heroes natin sa UNTV Cup, syempre magbabalik din ang ating batikang commissioner. Kaya mga kasambahay, let's all welcome the fortune cookie himself, our very own Commissioner Atoy Ko.
This is it.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ano yan? Younger version ni Atoy Ko. Kulang sa haba ng buhok eh. Muli po, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Isa pong malaking karangalan muli na makaharap po kayong lahat. At siyempre, pagbati rin po sa ating pong lahat na mga senador, congressman, cabinet secretaries, undersecretaries, Kasi hindi ko na po isahin na at sa lahat po ng kawani ng ating pong pamahalaan, maraming pong salamat sa inyong lahat. Alam po nyo, nasa ikalimang UNTV Cup na po tayo. Ang ibig lang pong sabihin, lalo pong lumalakas at nagiging sikat ang UNTV Cup. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta, lalong-lalo na po sa ating mga kasambahay. Maraming salamat po. Kung babalikan lang po natin, nung unang-unang UNTV Cup, meron lang po tayong 8 team. Sa second UNTV Cup po, 10. And sa third UNTV Cup, naging 12. Fourth UNTV Cup, naging 12 pa rin po. Pero ngayon po, naragdagan po tayo ng team, ang BOC, Bureau of Customs. Kaya ngayon po, 13 na po tayong lahat. At talagang napakaganda, nawala tuloy ako. Siyempre, hanggang maaari po sana tatanggapin namin lahat. Marami po nag-a-apply na iba-iba pang ahensya na gusto pong makatulong sa kanila pong mga beneficiaries. Kaya lang, kinalulungkot ko lang po, hindi naman po silang mapagbigyan lahat. Paunti-unti po. Baka next year po, 14 na po tayo. May nakapending po, mga more or less nasa 5 na gustong sumali. At ano ba? Nawala tuloy. Nakita ko si Secretary. And then Spiders. Ayan po, I wish the best team wins. Good luck po sa inyong lahat. At may God bless us all. Thank you po. Maraming po salamat.
Okay, thank you so much. Parang first time yun First time. Okay, thank you so much, Commissioner Atoy ko. And yes, we have come a long way and we are proud to say na napakarami na pong natulungan ng UNTV Cup.
And as we reach new heights in our advocacy, hindi po tayo aabot sa Season 5 kung walang nagpasimula ng naibang konsepto ng UNTV Cup.
Okay, kaya this time let's hear it from the man behind this unique and outstanding concept of public service through sports. Pero bago po natin siya tawagin, tingin muli tayo sa taas. Let's all watch this.
News. Rescue. Public service. Bukod sa paghahatid ng napapanahong balita, ang UNTV ang nag-iisang news and rescue agency sa buong bansa.
Nauna ka nga sa balita, namatay naman yung tao, di parang ikaw na rin ang katulong na pumatay doon. Hindi na baling maiskupan nyo kami sa pagbibigay ng balita sa mga tao. At least may maisasalba namang buhay ng isang nangangailangan ng tulong. Maipakita natin na una sa atin ang ating mga kapwa-tao kaysa sa balita. Kaya tulong muna bago balita.
Lahat ng anchors, reporters, cameramen at drivers ng UNTV ay handang rumisponde sa anumang emergency na kanilang makaharap. Tuloy-tuloy ang pagpapaigting ng UNTV ng rescue efforts nito upang makatulong sa ating mga kababayan sa oras ng sakuna at kalamidad. Hatid din ng UNTV sa ating mga kababayan ang tunay na serbisyo publiko, araw-araw na libreng konsultasyon sa mga doktor at abogado, libreng sakay para sa mga pasahero sa Metro Manila at iba't ibang bahagi ng bansa, at iba't iba pang libreng serbisyo sa mga kababayan natin na araw-araw ay lumalapit sa ating tanggapan.
Sa asawa ko po sir, na kailangan po siya ng dugo sir.
Kailangan ko daw po agad-agad maoperahan.
Ito, gusto ko po makauwi sa amin na sa Subati.
Minsan na po kami nimble sa drug sir, pero gumagamit lang, hindi kami nagbebenta.
Pareho kayong nagda-drugs?
Noon ho.
Bakit ho kayo sa akin lumapit para kayo sumurrender?
Tuloy-tuloy din ang ating pakikipag-ugnayan sa mga government agencies upang sila ay mabigyan ng free airtime sa UNTV upang maibalita sa karamihan ang kanilang mga programa at proyekto gaya ng DOJ, DFA, PNP at AFP. At ngayong Season 5 ng UNTV Cup, sa partisipasyon ng 13 government agencies, paglalabanan ang mahigit 8 million pesos na ibibigay sa mga napiling charitable institutions ng ating mga koponan. Sa muling pagbubukas ng proyektong gumuhit na ng kasaysayan sa larangan ng basketball at public service, ang Liga ng Public Servants, ang UNTV Cup. Mga kasambahay, mga kababayan, narito ang ating nag-iisang Mr. Public Service, Kuya Daniel Razon.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome the man who started the phenomenal League of Public Servants, UNTV Cup, none other than Dr. Daniel Razon.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Excited na ba kayo para sa Season 5 ng UNTV Cup? Kami din po. At this point, minsan pa ay nagpapasalamat po tayo sa Panginoon sa mabuting pagkakataon na mayroon tayo at inabot natin ang Season 5 ng UNTV Cup. At this point, gusto nating magpasalamat una sa Diyos at sa lahat ng ating mga participating teams. Di ko na po kayo maiisa-isa lahat. Subalit ang aming pagkilala ng malaking utang na loob, because this is not going to be successful kung hindi din po sa participation ng lahat ng mga teams natin from different government agencies. Palakpakan po natin sila. And tonight is going to be the opening of a new season para po sa atin, kagaya ng inyong nalalaman. Ang lahat ng ating mga ginagawa po ay gearing towards public service. Atin pong isinusustain pa rin ang ating scholarship program na pinasimulan na natin. So, 2 na po ang atin ngayong college na mula elementary hanggang college, meron na po tayong scholarship program na walang binabayaran na kahit na ano ang mga estudyante. Meron pa silang libreng allowance o pagkain araw-araw. So tuloy-tuloy po yan, pati ng ating libreng sakay, ang ating pong mga legal and medical services everyday na ginagawa sa pakikipagtulungan ng ating pong iba't ibang mga kaibigang mga doktor, abogado na nagbibigay po ng libreng serbisyo. Nandyan po yung ating ginagawa na mga public service sa pamamagitan ng serbisyong kasambahay. Kaya ngayon, as a matter of fact, marami na rin pong sumuko sa akin. Yung mga ibang mga dating drug addict na pumupunta sa atin at nai-turn over naman natin sila sa atin po mga kasama sa Philippine National Police para mabigyan sila ng aksyon na sila po ay maprotektahan. With that, tuloy-tuloy po ang lahat ng ating mga ginagawa na pagsisilbi sa ating mga kababayan. At ngayon, sa Season 5 na ito, aalamin natin at makikilala kung sino ba ang magkakamit o makakakuha ng atin pong mga premyo na nasa 8 milyong piso para sa lahat ng mga mananalo. Yan po ay divided. At of course, kung ano yung kanilang mga napiling mga charity, mga institutions na kanilang gustong mapagbigyan, represented po yan ng bawat team. So tonight, ako po ay minsan pang nag-aanyaya sa inyo na suportahan natin ang kabuuan ng ligang ito at sa mga susunod na pagkakataon ay mas maging malaki pa ito dahil nag-umpisa tayo ng ilang teams, ngayon po nasa 13 na tayo. And sama-sama din nating i-welcome ang bagong kupunan sa ligang ito, ang Bureau of Customs. Yan. Tulungan natin ang Bureau of Customs sa isang pagpapagong mukha sa kanilang pagbabagong gustong magawa sa customs na wala na pong kotong, ang bagong Bureau of Customs. So nandyan po, nagpapasalamat din tayo sa ating mga team from Ombudsman, ang ating mga kasama din po sa House of Representatives, ang ating mga kasama sa Department of Justice, sa GSIS of course, at ang ating Senate Defenders. Of course, ang ating pong Malacanang, ang Team Kamao, yan. At ang Judiciary, ganun din po ang Bureau of Fire, kaya ligtas dito sa lahat ng Ang National Housing Authority, ganun din po, kasama po natin ang ating MMDA Black Wolves, pero red sila. No? Of course, ang PNP Responders. And ang ating pong defending champion, ang Armed Forces of the Philippines. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, and of course sa lahat ng ating mga kasambahay, sa lahat ng members ng Church of God International na nandito ngayong gabi. Salamat po sa pangunguna ni Brother Eli Soriano.
And at this point, partner, tatawagin natin ulit. Ayan, Commissioner Atoy ko para i-announce ang maglalaro for the first game for this season. Kom.
Maraming salamat, Ryan. Meron lang pong konting pagbabago. Hindi na po tayo magbubunutan. Nagkaroon po kami ng emergency meeting at napagkasunduan po na ang Group A at ang Group B. Ngayon po, i-announce ko para sa kaalaman po ninyong lahat, ang Group B ay composed of PNP, National Housing Authority, Judiciary, GSIS, HOR, DOJ, and Bureau of Customs. At sa Group A ay composed of AFP, ang defending champion, ang MMDA, Bureau of Fire, BFP, Malacanang, and Senate Defender, and Ombudsman. Yun po, composed ng 6. Yung Group B ay composed of 7 teams. At ang opening game po natin ay napagkasunduan din po ang maglalaro ang AFP, the defending champion, and ang Senate Defender.
Okay. So, ang maglalaro po is AFP Cavaliers and the Senate Defenders.
Kaya nalitin lang natin.
Maraming po salamat.
Lahat ng ating nasa Group B, kasama dyan ang PNP, NHA, Judiciary, GSIS, HOR, DOJ at BOC. At para naman sa Group A, kasama dyan ang mga kupunan ng AFP, MMDA, BFP, Malacanang, Senate at Ombudsman. At for tonight, maglalaro ang ating defending champs na AFP Cavaliers kontra sa Senate Defenders.
Alright, once again, mga kasambahay, palakpakan natin ang 13 teams na sumali sa pagbubukas ng UNTV Cup Season 5. Thank you so much po sa lahat ng ating mga teams na hindi po makakapaglaro for tonight. And tatawagin po natin ang 2 team na maglalaro sa ating first game sa opening ng UNTV Cup Season 5. Thank you so much po. Palakpakan po natin ulit sila once again.
Tuloy po kayo sa bagong season ng UNTV Cup. 5 buwan din po tayo nagantay para muling gumulong ang panibagong conference ng UNTV Cup. Pero sa aming pong pagbabalik ngayong gabing ito po si Ronnie Magsanok kasama si Coach Abby Lunag na makakasama nyo para ihandog ang Season 5 ng UNTV Cup.
Coach Ronnie, napakaraming tao at positive vibes all around dito sa opening ng ating UNTV Cup.
And of course, kanina ay nakita natin ang 13 mga teams na pumarada at ating silang kikilalanin as the games go along. Coach Sabi, nagsimula tayo last 2013 with 7 teams sa Season 1. Tapos eventually gumulong sa 10 mga teams para sa Season 2, 11 para sa Season 3, 12 para sa Season 4. At dito, it promises to be a bigger, better, and brighter conference dahil ito na ang pinakamaraming teams sa hanay ng UNTV Cup.
Sa rami nga ng teams, Coach Ronnie, hiniwalay ng 2 grupo.
Yan.
At yung grupo, Group A, is composed of AFP, MMDA, PFP, Malacanang, Senate, at ang Ombudsman.
Of course, ang ating unang laro dito sa Season 5 ay sa pagitan ng 2-time UNTV Cup champion ng AFP kontra dito sa Senate team ni Coach Sani Angara, ni Senator Sani Angara. But bago natin umpisahan ang laban ng Senate at ng AFP, pakinggan muna natin ang third member ng ating panel na si Rina Villamor. Rina?
Salamat, Coach Ronnie. Kasama natin ngayon si Attorney Rodelio Dasil ng Senate Defenders. Of course, kakamustahin natin ang Senate Defenders sa pagpasok nila dito sa UNTV Cup Season 5. Ano-ano po ba yung pinaghandaan nyo dito?
Since July 1, naghanda na kami kasi malaking tournament na maganda ang cost. Tapos talagang sa instruction ni Senator Sani at ni Senator Joel at Senator Manny Pacquiao, palakasin talaga namin yung team. So fortunately, nung break ng Senate, nagkaroon ng tournament sa Senado, nakakita kami ng potential players. Tulad ni Harley Nang na naglaro dati sa Mapua noong 2005, si Baksal, at si Balboa. Yun yung mga nadagdag sa team namin. Kaya in terms of ceiling, medyo lumaki kami at siguro medyo bumilis na rin ng konti.
Okay. Two of the senators, let's talk about Senator Sherwin Gatchalian and Senator Manny Pacquiao. Will they be playing for today's game?
Si Senator Manny, sabi niya darating siya. Senator Sherwin parang may commitment. Pero talagang nagpa-line up sila siguro sa mga time. At saka pag na-clear yung kay Senator Manny, baka makalaro. Pero wala pa siyang clearance eh. Pero from his team, Mahindra may clearance na. From PBA, wala pa yata.
Ayan. At kamusta naman po yung pakikisama niya, Senator Joel, dito sa bagong team niya? Kasi coming from Malacanang siya, then transferred to Senate Defenders.
Talagang winelcome ni Senator Sani si Senator Joel. Tsaka siguro na kita niya yung pagtanggap namin sa kanya. Gustong-gusto niya yung cooperation tsaka teamwork ng mga team. Kaya siguro masaya si Senator Joel sa amin. As a matter of fact, siya nga sponsor ng jacket namin. Ayan. Sa mga kasambahay, expect niyo Senate Defenders na maglalaro ng mabuti and come and watch every Sunday. Thank you, Rina.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo, Attorney Rodelio Dasil ng Senate Defenders, Coach Javi, Coach Ronnie.
At para po sa inyong mga kasangbahay, ito na po ang malapit na simula ng laban ng Senate Defenders and of course, ang AFP Cavaliers. Let's turn it over sa ating pong Coliseum Barker.
Good evening and welcome to the Mall of Asia Arena for tonight's ball game featuring the AFP Cavaliers in the Senate Defenders in the opening of Season 5 of the UNTV Cup. Let's first meet the starting 5 of your AFP Cavaliers. At guard number 1, Alvin Zuniga. At center number 2, Jeffrey Gambao. At forward number 17, Roland Pascual. The other forward number 28, Roger Araneta. In the other guard number 33, Eugene Tan. Their head coach is Corporal Sunny Manukat. Assistant coach is Corporal Roddy Kahanding. Here now is the starting lineup of your Senate Defenders. At guard number 2, Senator Sani Angara. The other guard number 3, Senator Joel Villanueva. At forward number 8, Harley Nang. At center number 13, Emmanuel Baltasar. In the other forward number 22, Romel Balboa. Their head coach is Senator Manny Pacquiao. Assistant coach is Mike Fermin. Before we start the ball game, we invite at center court UNTV Cup Commissioner Atoy Ko together with Mr. Public Service Kuya Daniel Razon for the ceremonial toss.
Okay na kami na Marlon. Kami na. Abante.
Thank you very much, and let's give a big hand to UNTV Cup Commissioner Atoy Ko in Mr. Public Service Kuya Daniel Rason. Officiating this ballgame are Bobby Cortez, Mike Galatera in Rigor Buwaron. UNTV Cup Liga ng Public Service.
Of course, gusto natin siyang kamustahin kung kamusta yung kanilang naging off-season. Nakapag-ensayo ba sila in preparation for this UNTV Cup Season 5, Coach?
Yes, so far, nakapag-ensayo naman kami, nakapag-prepare. Kasi meron kaming AFP Olympics, so yung different department ng Army, Air Force, Navy, tuloy-tuloy din yung ensayo. So parang wala rin naman kaming pahinga.
Yung jersey number 8 natin, si Ferdy, naglaro na siya no ating UNTV Cup Season 1. Is he making a comeback dito sa ating UNTV Cup Season 5?
Hopefully, comeback players namin siya. Pero kumbaga parang replacement lang siya kay Joel Habar.
And your expectations for today's game against the Senate Defenders?
Well, siyempre, di-defend pa rin namin yung crown namin. Hopefully, yung sistema namin at yung lagi namin ginagawa, magawa pa rin namin.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo, Coach Sunny Manukat ng AFP Cavaliers, Coach Javi, Coach Ronnie.
Salamat, Rina. Of course, ang AFP Cavaliers, isa sa tanging dalawang teams na may hawak ng titulo dito sa apat na conferences na itinakbo ng inyong paboritong UNTV Cup. Muli po kaming nagpupugay mula sa Mall of Asia Arena. Ronnie Magsano kasama si Coach Javi Nunag para sa unang salang ng UNTV Cup Season 5. Coach Javi, 2 puntos sa Senado, 2 puntos din para sa defending champions na AFP Cavaliers.
Napituan pa si Corporal Jeffrey Kiambao ng offensive foul, kaya bola mapupunta sa defenders.
Dalawang bagong players ngayon on the floor para sa Senate Defenders. Okay, si Harley Nang wearing jersey number 8, and of course, itong si Baksal who wears jersey number 22. First 3-point basket of this conference.
Actually, all 5 points ng AFP scored by Seaman first Roger Araneta. So top scoring so far itong si Mr. Araneta in this opening game of our UNTV Season 5.
Talagang dead shot yan si Roger Araneta. In and out para kay Baltazar. Sabi mo nga kanina, Coach Sabi, lahat ng 5 puntos ng Cavaliers galing kay Roger Araneta. Gayon din naman for the Senate Defenders, lahat galing kay Balboa. Pascual missing. The test the man, Senator Joel Villanueva, anchoring the 3-on-2 break. Shooting foul given up by Alvin Zuniga.
Gandang pasensya ang pinakita ng Senate Defenders on that fast break, opting to go for the higher percentage shot. Nice pass by Senator Angara. At 2 free throws mapupunta dito kay numero 8, Harley Nang.
Harley Nang works for the office of Senator Trillanes. At sabi nga ni Attorney Dasil kanina,
naglaro
para sa Mapua Cardinals na kung saan yun ang pinanggalingang eskwela ng ating mabuting commissioner.
At siya po ngayon ang head coach ng seniors team
ng Mapua Cardinals.
Napakaganda ang pinapakita sa NCAA.
At gusto rin nating pasalamatan si Mr. Public Service, Kuya Daniel Razon, sa uling paghahatid ng UNTV Cup after we took a 5-month break ng all alone, unopposed. Sablay yung kanyang coast-to-coast layup.
Ma-expect natin yan, Coach Ronnie, sa opening games. Ang daming gigil yan. Siyempre may nervous energy. Napakaraming tao dito talaga, Coach Ronnie.
Siguro nasa mahigit 15,000 ito, Coach.
Mahigit, Coach Ronnie. At wala akong nakikitang bakanting upuan dito sa ating opening ceremonies at opening game dito ng UNTV Season 5.
The most number of teams seeing action sa ating UNTV Cup Season 5. Villanueva dances, leads his way to the basket. Unang 2 puntos kay Test the Man, Senator Joel Villanueva.
Dalawang in and out crossover ang pinakita ni Senator Joel Villanueva.
Sapal itong si Pascual, isa sa pinaka-most the performers doon sa nakalipas na finals and that winning run by AFP against the team of PNP na natalo sa finals for the third time. And so far, ang ating two-time MVP na si Olan Umiping ay wala pa rin kampyonato para sa PNP. A lot of player changes this season, Coach Abby. A lot of coaching carousel also na ating nakikita. Senator Joel Villanueva used to play for the Malacanang Patriots na ngayon ay kilala na bilang Malacanang Kamao.
One thing is certain, Coach Ronnie, ang ating AFP Cavaliers, they are the defending champions and for sure, hindi nila ibibigay ang kampyonato niyan basta-basta. Of course, led by itong si Boyet Bautista at itong si Eugene Tan.
Bang, very aggressive, looking for a shot. Balboa once again, a lot of contact, pero walang pito. Boyet Bautista, stopping. Passing to Kiambao.
Pangalawang assistant ni Boyet Bautista in this game. Napakaganda ng pasensya pinakita niya. Opting for that higher percentage shot kay
yan ang ating finals MVP ng season 4. Dun sa matinding sudden death match sa game 3, Coach Abby. Grabe ang pinakitang tapang at tikas ni Boyet Bautista. Senator Sonny Angara nails the first three-pointer for the Senate defenders, and the two Senators combining for 5 out of the 7 out of the 10 total points ng Senate defenders. Second deadlock so far dito sa ating first quarter.
Again, the specialty of the house for Rolly Pascual, Coach Ronnie, is he mastered that mid-range jumper. Pag hindi mo nabantayan yan 15 feet and below, ilista mo na.
Ang bigat din ng dalawang guardia dito para sa AFP. May Eugene Tan ka na, may Boyet Bautista ka pa. Roger Araneta to Eugene Tan. Bautista. First three-point attempt. Net for Boyet Bautista.
The former King Knight, galing po sa Letran yan at napakagaling na manlalaro niyan for the Letran Knights. Ngayon, yung talento niya, pinapakita niya sa AFP Cavaliers.
Both teams hitting well from the three-point line. 2 out of 4 ang AFP. 1 out of 1 naman ang Senate defenders. Back rims the trick. Talking about Senator Sonny Angara. Lead pass for Boyet Bautista. Rather off the wrong foot. Masyadong malakas. Bad pass by Nang. Taken away by Pascual. Bautista sa Roger Araneta. Possession stays para dito sa AFP Cavaliers.
Number of substitutions coming in for both teams. Sula Fernandez and Sergio coming in for the AFP Cavaliers.
A lot of familiar names para dito sa AFP. Bakit mo nga naman papalitan? Ikakakampiyon lang sa
defending champion si Coach Ronnie.
Sablay mula kay Fernandez, kapapasok lamang. Binigyan sa ilalim, hindi pumasok. Boyet Bautista against Sonny Angara. Malaga, tasting his first action. Shot fake coming from Senator Joel Villanueva, misses.
First miss of the game para dito kay Senator Villanueva.
Malaga from Baltazar. Extra pass to Villanueva. Masyadong malakas. Eugene Tan, ginulangan si Malaga. Sergio against Senator Sonny Angara. No problem for Winston Sergio. Biggest lead in the first quarter para sa AFP Cavaliers. Kaya timeout muna ang Senate defenders. Dito po sa ating pagbabalik sa UNTV Cup sa first quarter action sa pagitan ng Senate Defenders at ng AFP Cavaliers. Senator Joel Villanueva attacking the basket. At para dito sa AFP, Coach Abby, 5 players na ang gumagawa ng puntos for them, led by the 5 points. Itong si Roger Araneta. Para naman dito sa kupunan ng Senate Defenders, meron silang 3 players na tulong-tulong for a total of 10 points. Marlon Legaspi.
Gawin mo na pang-apat yan, Coach Ronnie. And two of the four players na nakascore, itong si both Senators Joel Villanueva at Angara.
Marlon Legaspi, the leading scorer for the defenders, who used to be coached by Coach Kenneth Durendes and now will be a playing coach para sa koponan ng Bureau of Customs Transformers. Kasama si Marlo Aquino at
Captain Marbel din.
EJ File. Alam mo ba si EJ File?
Ang liliit.
Marlon Legaspi.
Tsaka si Jerome Mejor si Coach Ronnie.
Angara. Malaga follow-up. 10 on the shot clock. Villanueva. Nothing there. 17, 12, 3, and 19 left here in the first. Bautista. In and out. And again, a takeaway coming from Eugene Tan. Forward pass to Winston Sergio Fernandez. On the free throw line. In and out again. Malaga. Ang kinikilalang point forward for the defenders. 2:48 here in the first. 9 on the clock. Eyeball to eyeball, Villanueva, or rather Tan versus Malaga. Legaspi, lakas. Palitan ng sablay dito, Coach Abby.
At palitan din ng turnovers, Coach Johnny. Expect a lot of those, especially here at the opening game dito sa UNTV Cup.
Defensive rebound coming from Marlon Legaspi. Malaga. With a bad pass. Boyd Bautista. No one sprinting down to defend. Para sa Black Shirts.
The third turnover of the Senate defenders here in the first quarter. And that turnover transformed into a transition attack for the defending champion.
5 points in the game para kay Boyd Bautista. Tying their leading scorer na si Roger Araneta. Angara once again open from the three. Second three ball for Senator Sunny Angara.
2 out of 3 from the three-point area to si Sunny Angara to lead in scoring for the Senate defenders.
Good inside pass by Fernandez for Casulla, rather right Casulla, pero Casulla misses. Eugene Tan will give up a shooting foul as they're already over the limit with still a minute and 42 na natitira dito sa ating unang quarter.
So 2 free throws ang mabibigay dito kay Senator Joel Villanueva para matapyas itong kalamangan ng AFP Cavaliers, which stand right now at 4 points.
Alam mo, Coach Xavi, mula pa noong November 2013 na siyang naging unang laro sa kasaysayan ng UNTV Cup. Masasabi ko na ito na ang pinakamalakas na roster ng mga teams given the number of reinforcements at yung mga batang mga dating naglaro sa PBA na napakarami.
Balansyado, Coach Ronnie. Lahat ng teams ngayon nag-ensayo, nagpalakas at this is going to be a very exciting season para sa UNTV.
Angara to Villanueva. 4-on-2 break will not result into a basket para dito sa Senate defenders. Villanueva so far 1 of 5 from the field. Already with 2 points but 0 of 3 from the 3-point line.
2 points din yung pinakita natin sa replay a while ago. Dalawang in and out crossover ni Tess Daman. But sabi mo nga, Coach Johnny, inaalat sa 3-point area ang number 3 player ng Senate defenders.
2-3 zone defense para sa defenders. Babasagin ni Boyd Bautista.
Kailangan mong lapitan itong si Boyd Bautista kasi talagang titirahan ka at may kamay talaga yan si Boyd Bautista from the outside.
Kumpiyansado, determinado, tigit sa lahat ensayado itong pint size. Subalit pwede mong maituring na pocket rocket na si Boyd Bautista. Angara, Malaga flashes from the weak side. Covered, another turnover. And again, ang hirap na tira.
5th turnover in the game and resulting to another fast break point for the defending champions.
The defenders getting their chances, not scoring on layups, not scoring on fast break situations. Bautista. This is the transition 3. Malaga with a blind pass. Legaspi double team. Malaga finally buys a bucket
Muntik na maging turnover yun para sa defenders. Buti na lang. Napulot pa ni Marlon Legaspi yung bola at na naipasa for 2 points.
Zuniga attacking the closeout. Preempted foul, not yet over the limit ang black shirts ng defenders.
2 seconds left in the game. They still have 2 more fouls to give before they are in team penalty.
Situational sub as Pascal.
Si Tata Marata will come in for both Senators, Angara and Joel Villanueva. Pinapalasa na ni Assistant Coach Mike Fermin ang kanyang lineup.
One more foul to give para dito sa defenders. Sergio looking to beat the buzzer. At the final count dito sa first quarter will be a 7-point lead for the Cavaliers at 24-17. As we prepare to open the second quarter, we have Boyd Bautista smiling his way towards scoring 10 points in the first quarter, Coach Abby. At tinitiyan pa si Marlon Legaspi sa pagbubukas ng second quarter.
Senate defenders have to control their turnovers because they have been committing a lot of turnovers and feed at high-low play para kay Marlon Legaspi. Napagandang progress sa ginawa ni Assistant Coach Mike Fermin off that quarter break. Control the turnovers for Senate defenders. They will have a better chance of coming back in this ball game.
Let's bring Rina back in dito sa ating second quarter. Rina?
Yes, Coach Ronnie, aside from the Senators who also have 3 new faces para sa kupunan ng Senate defenders, we have Romel Balboa, Irvin Bacsal, and Harvey Nang, who are all players of, who are all staffs of Senator Antonio Trillanes IV. Sabi nga nila sa akin, nag-try out daw sila bago sila makarating dito sa kupunan ng Senate defenders, and they have been practicing since last June. Itong si Romel Balboa ay galing sa Perpetual, si Irvin Bacsal naman ay galing sa CEU, at si Harley Nang ay former Team B ng UST at naglaro na rin siya sa Mapua NCAA. Coach Ronnie?
Maraming salamat, Binibini at Prinsesang Rina. Bagong conference, bagong mga pangalan, subalit ang ating paboritong courtside reporter ay nananatili. Basket mula dito sa AFP. Lamang pa rin sila ng 5 puntos dito, Coach Sabi, at 26-21.
Pero buusbong na itong si Marlon Legaspi, Coach Ronnie.
Sa loob kumakayod.
Sa loob kumakayod at napagandang pwesong ang pinapakita na itong former PBL MVP para sa Senate defenders.
Na dating naglaro para sa Shell sa Professional League. Weak side rebound coming from Casulla. Maybe smaller but definitely stronger as he's so much younger than the former PBL MVP. At ito yung inside force, Coach Sabi ni Coach Sunny Manukat. Kung titignan mo, hindi kalakihan pero din yung mga katawan.
At dead shot, Coach Ronnie, 15 feet and below. Sinabi ko na kanina kay Pascual, pag hindi mo pinantayan, ilista mo na.
And that is the rotation sa front line ni Coach Sunny Manukat.
Na hindi pwedeng mangyari sa Senate defenders na bigyan nila ng number of offensive rebounds itong AFP Cavaliers dahil talagang kamatayin sila doon.
Good contest coming from Zuniga. Dahil si Marlon Legaspi unti-unting naglakad sa top of key na siyang paborito niyang tirahan ng press. Boyd Bautista doing a lot of damage laban sa depensa.
So far outside of Marlon Legaspi, nahihirapan na mag-manufacture ng points itong Senate defenders.
Dan, quarterbacking right now para sa AFP. Pass deflected. Driving the shot clock, ball stays. The two-time champions.
7 minutes and 56 seconds left in the second quarter. 8-point lead for the defending champs.
Ball fake galing kay Pascual. Extra pass from Zuniga. Floater from the short corner from San Esteban.
Napakagandang ball movement left to right. And puntos para sa AFP, which now leads by 10, 31-21.
Siyang pinakamalaking kalamangan for the Cavaliers. AFP with their own version of the 2-3 zone defense. Malaga, extra pass to Baltazar. Yan dati ang reinforcements ng Senate defenders, Coach Abby. Baltasar, Malaga, Coach Kenneth Dorentes, Dinong, at itong si Tata Marata. Ngayon sa pagpasok ng tatlong new players, definitely they are a much deeper team. Pero ang tanong, how well can they match up against the other teams who have also brought in a lot of new reinforcements?
Napakabigat ng first game din nila against the defending champions. But again, if you want to be the best, you have to beat the best, Coach Ronnie. So let's see how they will measure up with the AFP Cavaliers.
Coach Abby, pakirun through ulit yung ating dalawang groupings, please.
Group A ang AFP, MMDA, BFP, Malacanang, Senate, and Ombudsman. Samantala naman sa kabilang grupo, ang Group B, ang PNP, National Housing Authority, Judiciary, GSIS, at ang House of Representatives, Department of Justice, at ang Bureau of Customs.
Group A has 6 teams in its fold. Group B naman may 7 mga teams na maglalaban-laban. At doon sa nakalipas na Season 4 natin, it took us, I believe, almost 4 months para matapos yung kompetisyon.
At itong 13 teams, Coach Rory, 13 balanced teams. Lahat po sila ay praktisado, nagkaroon ng mga reinforcements, and rest assured, napakabalansyado at napakaganda aksyon ang makikita dito sa ating Season 5 ng UNTV Cup.
13 ahensya ng gobyerno who will choose their own charity institutions, Coach Abby, dahil alam mo ba, Coach Abby, na halos napakalaking naibigay at naitulong na ng mga government agencies sa kanilang mga chosen charities sa laki ng papremyo ng UNTV Cup sa pamumuno ni Kuya Daniel Razon.
Yan ang pagkakaiba at kakaganda nating ng UNTV Cup. You get to watch the most popular sport dito sa Pilipinas at the same time nakakatulong ka sa iyong kapwa.
Ang Liga ng Public Servants nagsimula ng July of 2013. Ngayon tayo patulak na sa September ng 2016. So easily 4 years ang itinatakbo ng UNTV Cup at tayo na ay nasa pang-5 conference na. Aside from yung pocket tournament na nilaro natin dati na siyang napagwagian ng kapunan ng Judiciary. Leak out play for Marlon Legaspi. Good pivot move, beating the defense of the sprint down defender na si Alvin Zuniga. Marlon Legaspi off the bench, Coach Abby, with a total of
8 points in the game for former MVP and PBA players Marlon Legaspi. At malaking tulong to para sa Senate defenders.
7 points in first quarter, rather in second quarter para sa ating dalawang teams. Timeout po muna ang Senate defenders. First quarter score ended at 24-17 para sa AFP. The defenders mula sa Senado, mga tropa ni Coach Mike Fermin, umaasa, Coach Javi, na hindi sila mapag-iiwanan sa first half ng AFP. Pascual falling away.
Again, specialty of the house, Rolly Pascual as number 17. Consistent all throughout this Season 4 ng UNTV Cup. Ngayon, Season 5 na ganun pa rin ka-consistent itong number 17 player ng defending champion.
Back with the runner. Using the back. Back not open. Eugene Tan. Good spring down defense by the defenders. Zuniga to Araneta. Araneta nails his second 3-point basket. 8 points so far for Araneta.
Unselfish play neto ni Zuniga. He had that shot. He had that 15-foot jumper but opted to go to Araneta for that corner pocket 3-point shot.
Marlon Legaspi against Eugene Tan. Nothing but air. Second follow-up. Sablay kay Baltasar. Sablay din dito kay Nang.
12 na ang kalamangan ng defending champions, Coach Ronnie.
Araneta, back-to-back threes. Gawin mo ng 15, Coach Avi, as Araneta is on fire. 39 for AFP, 24 for the Senate defenders here in the first half. With 4 minutes and 47 seconds left dito sa ating pangalawang quarter, ang AFP nagbabadya na talagang maarangkada, samantalang ang Senate defenders naman parang pababa yung kanilang opensa rito. Coach Avi, locked in at 7 points in the last 3 minutes. Scoreless na sila.
So far, Coach Ronnie, only Marlon Legaspi has scored for the defenders here in the second quarter. At pinapakita talaga ng AFP Cavaliers why they are the defending champions.
Down with the floater. Ito mahina. Defensive rebound na naman coming from Baltazar. Active hands para dito sa AFP.
Nagsisimula sa depensa ng AFP Cavaliers. Hirap na hirap pumuntos itong black shirts. Mantal pag nakakuha sila ng turnover, fast break opportunity para sa white shirts.
We were saying, depensa, dinidiinan ng AFP. Bola mananatili dito sa black shirts with only 5 on their shot clock.
All shots challenge and hirap na hirap talaga even magpapumasa ang defenders.
Eugene Tan, good challenge. Still nothing from the outside for Senator Joel Villanueva. Back pass by Pascual. It was a good lead pass by Nam. Pero nabitawan ni Marlon Legaspi.
Those are the opportunities na kailangan mapuntusan ng Senate defenders because they are down right now 15 points with 3 minutes and 55 seconds left here sa first half.
Mula sa 24-17 count. Since that time, 7 puntos para sa Senate defenders at 15 for the Cavaliers. Araneta.
At nakikita mo itong si Eugene Tan, talagang hinahanap niya etong si Roger Araneta who has missed just 1 shot, 5 out of 6 for 13 points to lead all scorers here in our opening game.
Alam mo, Coach Avi, Bautista with 10, Araneta with 13, halos natapatan nila yung buong talaan ng Senate defenders. Eugene Tan pushes. Eugene Tan tries to locate Araneta once again. Pascual, hands off. Ito kay Eugene Tan. Shot clock down to 9. Extra pass to Araneta. Araneta recovers. Araneta uses the back. Tatakbo sila. Senator Joel Villanueva. Down with the breakaway.
They need more of those defensive stop translating into transition points para makahabol sila in this game.
First basket para sa Senate defenders in about 4 minutes. As Boyd Bautista prepares to make his re-entry. Pascual. Pinned down for Zuniga. Misses from the left. Villanueva. With a nice find kay Nam. Nam with a pirouette. Ball baiting move. Pero walang kumagat.
Nice transition defense na pinakita ng AFP Cavaliers. Etong si Harley Nam was in front of the defense pero napakaganda ng habol ng AFP Cavaliers to stop that fast break opportunity. 30 seconds remaining in the shot clock. Still a big lead for the defending champs.
Posting up is Baltazar. Flashing from the weak side, Malaga. Perfect pass. Great finish coming from Malaga.
Ball movement to an open shot. At mas kailangan pa nila marami ng gano'n para makahabol dito sa ball game na to, Coach Ronnie.
2 minutes left here in the first half. Bautista with an offensive rebound. 12 on the reset. Tan. Entry pass coming from Sergio. Bautista from the 3. Matatawagan ng loose ball foul.
3 consecutive defensive stops for the Senate defenders as yung energy nila sa depensa ay umaangat. Kaya naman nakakapagtigil sila ng opensiba ng AFP defenders at natatapyasan ng kalamangan sa 13 na lang.
Total of 11 points in the second quarter for the defenders. Villanueva to Baltazar. Baltazar reverses to Malaga. Malaga double pumps. And that's a push off coming from Baltazar.
That's a better defense for AFP at puntusan na sila nun with that post pass papunta kay Malaga. That time around, nakapag-adjust. Pituhan ng foul ang defenders. Bola mapupunta sa AFP Cavaliers.
At ang sunod na foul ng Senate defenders will lead to 2 free throws. Para sa AFP. Nakangiti pa rin si Coach Sani Manukat dahil nananatili ang defenders na lamang ng malaki. A 13-point lead. Jock Lelensmo coming from Boyd Bautista.
Too easy for Boyd Bautista that time around. Walang depensa para dito sa Senate defenders. A layup, 15-point lead with a minute remaining here in the first half.
Dating teammate ni Ray Guevara, no?
Yes, sa Letran Knights.
At ni Aaron Aban. Villanueva. The bad pass.
At ni Coach Ronnie, ni Brian Paundo.
Tama. Bautista stopping. Popping from the 3. Woo! Kaya lang, merong deliberate foul na ibibigay. Si Winston Sergio, basket counts. Lead balloons to 18.
Steal. Stop and pop. 3-point shot for Boyd Bautista. But sabi mo, Coach Ronnie, flagrant foul. So that means 2 free throws plus ball possession for the defenders.
Unnecessary foul given up. At ang mabigat. Actually, second motion na yun,
yes,
no?
Kasi sorry, nauna si Tata Marata, hindi nakita ng mga referees natin. Usually din ganun naman, Coach Ronnie, ang una hindi nakikita.
Ang tawag ko ron, Coach Javi, nahagip yung bump fender. So, dinali yung bumper. Eh, nandito ang MMDA sa liga natin.
Kilang MMDA, Coach Ron, PNP na rin nandito.
Ay, lagi nga sinasabi ng ating katuwang ni Sir Seb Sarmenta, eto na, ang safest place sa buong Pilipinas on opening day. Nandito lahat ng ahensya, from the executive to the judiciary and of course, sa legislative.
Oh.
And again, Boyd Bautista creates a scoring situation. Kung hindi umi-score, Coach Javi, gumagawa ng sitwasyon.
Gumagawa ng paraan. Behind the back, dribble into a bounce pass. 2 points for AFP.
That will be 2 of 8 right now. For a total of 25% clip from the 3 para sa defenders. Ang mabigat, 18 of the 48 ng AFP galing sa 3-ball. Sumablay si Boyet. Rebound si Malaga. Mawala ng oras si Tata Marata. At magtatapos ang ating first half. Ang kumara ng AFP, lamang pa rin ng malaki. Laban dito sa defenders. The score, 48 for the AFP Cavaliers, 30 for the Senate defenders. Ang ganda naman ng kuwang yan, Coach Javi. Of course, day 1 on opening day of UNTV Cup Season 5. Andito po rin po kami sa Mall of Asia Arena. Ito po si Coach Ronnie Magsano kasama si Coach Javi Nunag. First quarter score ended at 24-17. Pero sa pagtatapos ng ating second quarter, Coach Javi, lumobo kalamangan ng kumanan ng AFP at 48-30, 18-point lead para dito sa kumanan ng Cavaliers.
3 keys in the game, Coach Ronnie, for the first half. Una-una yung depensa ng AFP, ng defending champions. Forced a lot of turnovers. 8 turnovers para sa Senate defenders. At 2 player po, ang si Boyd Bautista at saka si Roger Araneta na mamayagpag ngayon sa defending champions.
28 points combined for Araneta and of course Boyd Bautista. Yung isa bilang starter, yung isa naman coming off the bench. At problemado ang depensa ng Senate defenders kung paano mamarkahan yung 2 players na talagang nagiging malaking tinik sa kanilang depensa. Ang katanungan dito, Coach Javi, anong mga adjustments ni Coach Mike Fermin defensively at anong kailangan niyang gawin on the offensive end para masabayan yung pagsabog sa opensa ng team ng AFP?
Right now, too many turnovers, Coach Ronnie, para dito sa Senate Defenders. At nung second quarter, labas kay Marlon Legaspi, hirap na hirap pamuntos ang Black Shirts. So sinabi mo nga, itong si Assistant Coach Mike Fermin will have to cook up an adjustment at kailangan nilang gawin sa third quarter kasi hindi na pwedeng mamagapa etong napakalaking kalamangan ng defending champions.
Yan pong mga bagay na yan ay aantabayan na natin sa pagpasok ng third quarter. Pero bago po tayo magsimula sa third quarter, pakinggan muna natin ang ating binibini at prinsesang si Rina Villamor.
Talagang prinsesa, Coach Ronnie. Even though the AFP Cavaliers are ahead of 18 points on that first half, this is still not the usual game of the AFP Cavaliers. Dahil ang kwento nga sa akin ni Coach Sonny Manukat kanina, ngayon lang daw sila na kompleto na magkita-kita sila. Most of the players are busy preparing for the PNP AFP Olympics this coming September. Alam nyo kasi pag nag-uumpisa itong PNP AFP Olympics sila, nahihiwalay sila. Merong iba sa kanila na pupunta sa Air Force, sa Army, at sa Navy. According to Coach Sonny Manukat, individually, naka-condition yung kanyang mga players but he's hoping na as a team, mag-gel din sila at makapag-ensayo sila all together. Meanwhile, for the Senate Defenders, it's still the adjustment period for them and there are 3 things important for them. Sabi nga ni Coach Mike Fermin inside the dugout, they need to be more aggressive in attacking the basket, extra effort on their part, and more importantly, makipagsabayan sila dito sa bilis ng galaw ng bola na pinapakita ng AFP Cavaliers. Coach Javi, Coach Ronnie?
Extra effort, yun ang kailangan talagang gawin ng Senate Defenders in this second half para naman matapyas ang 18-point lead right now para sa defending champions.
Kanina, tig-7 puntos lang yun ng production nila sa second quarter. Mula sa 24-17 na bilang, naging 31-24 yun. Ang problema, napahako sila at 24 points at talagang umarangkada ng gusto ang kumpanan ni Coach Sonny Manukat. Of course, bannered by Roger Araneta at yung scoring exhibition nitong si Pocket Rocket na si Boyd Bautista.
Mahirap kasi ang kombinasyon, Coach Ronnie. Hindi ka na makashoot, hindi ka pa makadepensa. Yun ang nangyari sa second quarter para sa Senate Defenders. But again, it is just the first half. A lot of basketball left here in the second half. Let's see the adjustment made by Coach Mike Fermin at kung ma-execute ng kanyang mga players dito sa third quarter.
Yan ang kanilang ninanais at pinag-usapan dun sa nakalipas na halftime break. Muli kami nagpapasalamat kay Mr. Public Service, Kuya Daniel Rason, sa pagtulong sa atin maihatid ang pinakabago na Season 5 ng UNTV Cup. 13 teams. Binaybay nga ni Coach Sabi noon kanina yan, divided into 2 groups. Yung isa 6, yung isa naman 7 mga teams ang nakabilang. Kiambao, the half spin.
At Coach Ronnie, kailangan natin bigay pugay yung napakagandang opening ceremony sa Arena para ma-open itong UNTV Season 5.
At natutuwa ako dahil marami akong mga nakitang mga dating malalaro na sa UNTV Cup at higit sa lahat, yung mga bagong reinforcements na ating nakita ng matagal sa larangan ng professional basketball.
Ang tatangkad, Coach.
Lalaki. Imposibleng hindi makita. Anggara. Fakes. Stops. Pops. Masyadong malakas.
Actually, in the first quarter, Coach Ronnie, it was a good start for both Senators Anggara and Joel Villanueva. Right. Ang nangyari lang, nakulangan na hangin and of course, the defense amped up for the AFP Cavaliers. Thus, right now, an 18-point lead.
The defenders are only 11 of 38 from the field. That's good for 28%. AFP on the other side at 44%. And that clip is even about to go lower para dito sa Senate Defenders. Di sila makapasok. Ang lalaki ng AFP.
All shots challenge, deflected most of the passes ng Senate Defenders. And so far, so good para dito sa White Shirts.
Sergio against the smaller Anggara. Hand down.
Man down.
Automatic once again para sa AFP. Yan ay pang-7 na 3-point conversion for AFP. 21 of the 51 coming from Rainbow Territory.
At 21 puntos na ang kalamangan. The biggest lead of the game for the AFP Cavaliers at back-to-back empty possessions para sa Senate Defenders. Not a good start here in the second half para sa mga players ni Coach Mike Fermin.
The defenders hoping for a good blitz to open up the third. Instead, sila ang tinirahan na naman ng isang tres. Bautista. Kiambao. Checked. Baltazar. 3-on-3. Secondary break para dito sa black shirts. Kiambao slow to get down. Ball screen ni Balboa para kay Villanueva. And that will result into another bad pass.
Another empty trip for the defenders. 3 possessions, no points so far.
As we take a look at
Lino Ong coming in the game for the defenders.
Former
UP Fighting Maroon.
Right. Kasama ni Coach Bo Perasol at ni Coach Patrick Aquino.
Coach Ryan Gregorio.
Yun. White Bautista. This time he misses. Parang ang dali ng mga ginagawa ni Boyd Bautista.
Parang hindi pa nga pinapawisan to si Boyd Bautista sa laro na to.
Nang against Sergio. Angara bounce pass to Lino Ong. Angara short corner. Cross court to Joel Villanueva. Balboa to Angara. Goes left, goes deep. Floater too strong. Lino Ong. Extra pass. Angara finally buys a basket.
After 2 minutes and 30 seconds of playtime here in the third quarter, a basket made by the Senate defenders off that offensive rebound by Lino Ong and a pass to Senator Angara.
Still a 19-point lead for AFP. 3 ball. Galing kay Kiambao. Masyadong malakas. Now, ball stop ni Sergio. Villanueva. Attack Sergio. Same spot. Kung saan tumikada si Senator Sani Angara. Parang konektado yung dalawa. Parang nakatahi-tahi. Pag pumuntos yung isa, di segunda yung isa. Lead down to 17.
At parang no first quarter din, good start para sa kanilang dalawa.
51-34 for AFP. Entry pass to the post for Fernandez. Facing up. Villanueva. Out rebounding. Boyd Bautista who bumps the Testaman.
Nice block out.
Balboa will be called for an offensive foul. Parang roadblock si Kiambao pag binangga mo. Ang bumangga. Giba. Ayan.
Si Balboa nanggigil dun sa pasa ni Testaman.
Pero hindi si Rocky yan, ano? Kusabi.
Hindi. Baka si Adrian.
Yung anak. Hindi naman. Tinitignan ko lang kung sharp ka. Bautista, posting up.
Sharp tayo, opening eh.
Tinutulungan ni Balboa. Extra pasok yung Bao. Pang-walong. Na tres.
And that is all Boyd Bautista waiting for the right time to pass that ball for a wide open 3-point shot from Kiambao.
Parang reversal of roles yun, Coach Abby, ha? Oh! The elbow. Parang hindi lang siya nagulat.
Bukas ang bangko. Kahit alas 9 na.
Pero alam mo, Coach Abby, sinadya yun.
Sinadya? Tinawag eh.
Oo, tartawa naman. Ay! 54-36. Kiambao. This time may close out na si Balboa. Bautista against Villanueva. Layo nun. Almost the halfway mark ng ating third. Now, looks for an open lane. Extra pass to Balboa. Inong with another jumper. Strong. Angara. Tunang. Oh.
Nice energy
off the bench free throws
for the former Fighting Maroon. Itong si Lino Ong. 2 offensive rebounds. 2 points here in the third quarter. Plus 2 free throws. Mapupunta dito kay Lino Ong.
6 points in the third quarter para dito sa AFP. Laban sa 6 na puntos din para dito sa Senate Defenders. Meaning, makakasabay sila kahit paano. This was the same amount of lead na tangan ng AFP patungo sa third quarter. Kaya lang, kailangan matapyas ng black shirts, yung abante.
Both teams are part of Group A, Coach Ronnie. Kasama nila ang AFP, ang MMDA, PFP, Malacanang at Ombudsman. Both teams right now nakagrupo sa Group A.
3 points off the bench for Lino Ong. Pukbong sandatahan ng Pilipinas, ang AFP. Their own version of a mini press as Nam attacks. Fearless move coming from Nam. Bumitaw na sa zone defense ang Coach Abby. Black shirts, nagtatrap na sila. Casulia. To Kiambao. Post. unmolested.
Nice press break na pinakita ng Cavaliers after that turnover. Nabigla sila dun sa sa full court press na pinakita ng defenders, but time around, good adjustment made. Bola sa gitna, punta sa punta.
Definitely Angara shooting much better here in the second half. Angara with a total of 9 points.
All from the
11 points rather.
All from the 3-point area, Coach Ronnie.
Coach Ronnie, parang may 2-ball yata siya na isa kanina. 3 3-point baskets at isang 2-point field goal. Double high screen para kay Zuniga. That's a good call.
Violation.
Double high screen resulting into
a double dribble violation. Puros double. Not in a good time.
Double threat din ang tawag dito kay Angara at Joel Villanueva. Itong si Endaya, Coach Sabi, Spitfire yan. Magaling pumipensa. Matikas na gwardya, yan si Andaya.
Dinabas na yung energy off the bench ng Senate defenders sa Celino. Marlon Legaspi ang pumalit. Don't look na, Coach Ronnie, 21 natapyas sa 12.
Kaya timeout si Coach Ani Manuk at Kalabakan. Boba sa 12 points.
Ngayong pag dumray, pare, hapunin naman natin. Huwag tayo tumayo. Huwag tayo tumayo. Huwag tayo tumayo. Go, guys! Ituloy natin yung press break.
Here in the third quarter, we find the Senate defenders outscoring the AFP Cavaliers. The Cavaliers only with 8 points. The defenders already with 14 with only 3:50 left here in the third.
With a good start dito ng AFP Cavaliers. Ngayon naman, baliktad naman, Coach Ronnie, ang bumubulusok ngayon ng Senate defenders. It was as high as 21 points. And right now, tapyas sa 12 ang kalamangan ng defending champions.
Started with good ball pressure in the backcourt for the defenders.
Nabigla sa palit ng depensa itong AFP Cavaliers, resulting into numerous turnovers for them. Thus, natapyas ang kanilang kalamangan.
Saka namambat din yung depensa nila rito ng bahagya, Coach Sabi. San Esteban. Casula getting an extra pass. Beating the shot clock and making sure that yung timeout na tinawag ni Coach Ani Manukat ay hindi masasayang.
Zuniga not giving up on the play and opting to pass there. Tamang-tama ang tira at a little bit of breathing room para sa defending champion.
Daya this time with a bad pass. Good catch by Galiza. Zuniga against Nang. Primary offense. Zuniga earlier with the pass. Ngayon naman, Zuniga hits another 3. And that is the 9th 3-point basket of this contest para dito sa AFP.
And after that timeout, Coach Ronnie, a 5-0 run to answer that run naman ng defenders.
Galiza taps the ball away. Andaya gets it to Angara. San Esteban grabs the defensive rebound. Zuniga.
Nice.
Behind the back. Extra pass to Galiza. Ooh, nothing. On that 3 ball. Andaya pushes. Legaspi stops. Pops. His own version of a 3.
Continuing to be hot. Itong si Marlon Legaspi. Nagsimula yan ng second quarter. At tuloy-tuloy po ang puntos ni Marlon Legaspi ngayon. 11 points, 5 out of 8 from the field para dito kay Marlon Legaspi.
At tabla sila ni Senator Sani Angara both with 11 points. Andaya sabi hinawi siya. Pero walang pito. Nang will be fouled by Galiza.
At tinawag na deliberate foul. Ito, Coach Ronnie.
There'll be 2 free throws plus possession. If that call stays.
And I think the call will stay, Coach Ronnie. So Nang will have 2 free throws plus ball possession para sa Senate defenders.
Under 2 minutes natitira sa third quarter. Very big third quarter para dito sa defenders. 17 for the defenders here in the third. While for AFP, it's been a 13-point third quarter for them.
At binalik na ni Coach Sunny Manukat ang kanyang mga main weapons. Eugene Tan, si Rolly Pascual, and Boyd Bautista back in this game.
Now, getting his first taste of action sa kanyang unang hapak dito sa UNTV Cup. Misses 2 free throws. Turned out to be a good foul para kay Galiza.
Coach Ronnie, yung kakape pala ni Boyd Bautista dati nanonood sa atin.
Sino?
Si Brian Paudo.
Brian Bompits.
Oo. Star player ng Meralco Bulls. Ilista mo na rin yung 15 feet.
Tibay. Baltazar against the smaller Casulla. Now, using his left. Now, still nothing from Nam. Reset. Marata to Nam. Nam fakes. Nam fakes is fouled and will go to the line for 2 free throws.
Third time is a charm para kay Nam as he had 3 cracks sa basket at hindi pa niya napuntos pero nakakuha siya ng foul and he will go back to the line and he is 0 out of 2 dito sa ball game na to.
Take that 1 out of 3. Sigurado he will be embraced ng ating mga kasangbahay, Coach Avidel. Very aggressive to the basket. Seems to be an exciting player. At kondisyon na kondisyon.
The former Mapua Cardinal.
Just as we say it, he gets his first breather here in the third.
Pinahati mo eh.
Hindi, kasi 8 minutes mahigit na lang lang.
Oo. Pinalitan tuloy.
Oo. Zuniga with 12 on the shot clock. Balik sa zone defense itong defenders. Casulla open from the free throw line. Knocks it down.
Eugene Tan is being patient in the offense, looking for the open man, and Casulla hindi naman pinahiya. Ito si number 33 with that 15-foot jumper.
15 points in the third for AFP versus a total of 19 for the black shirts. Nothing from the 3 ball from the left corner pocket para dito kay Balboa. Zuniga fakes. Hands off to Bautista. Good contest by Tata Marata. Legaspi. Tumalaga. It's 4-on-2. Bautista. Ooh! And again, a putback for the defenders. Quick inbound. Eugene Tan for Zuniga. Zuniga. Using the bank. Masyadong nagmadali.
Yes, poor clock management for AFP as they had the last shot.
Baltasar atake na naman. Masyadong malakas. Ball stays with the defenders.
Those are the opportunities na kailangan magawa ng puntos, magawa ng paraan na itong Senate defenders. They had the defensive stop. They had the numbers. Pero ngayon, lalabas muna nila yung bola.
Deep. Si Baltazar. That's good defense for Casulla, defending without fouling.
5 seconds to go.
Very good baseball pass. Coming from Eugene Tan. Touchdown.
Yung mga veterano, yung veteran smarts, Coach Rory, knowing ilan na lang ang nasa game clock. Baseball pass. Ito no, Zuniga. Isa one more pass, extra pass for Rolly Pascual.
And so far, itong AFP able to weather the storm. Outscored sila dito sa third quarter but still a double-digit lead with under 4 seconds left here in the third. Perfect from the line itong si Pascual. Zuniga. Disrupting that last possession.
Napatawa nga siya.
Napatawa siya. Maski si Gonzalo Manukat, natatawa pa rin. Because the Cavaliers are still on top, 65-51 at the end of the third.
Bola natin.
As we open the fourth quarter, we find Miss Rina Villamor smiling her heart out dahil parang nakita natin ang good senator, the 8-time world champion na si Manny Pacquiao. Subalit ito po ay hindi si Senator Manny Pacquiao eh. Pero nakita ko may jab at right straight kanina ko sabi eh. Grabe no?
Napahiyaw lahat eh.
Papapicture na sana ako eh. Si Pacquiao.
Manny Pacquiao.
Yao. Zuniga galing kay Eugene Tan. Iikot-ikot si Zuniga. Pasa kay Casulla from the free throw line. And again, same spot, no problem for Casulla.
And again, those are the weapons of Coach Sunny Manukat. Ang kanyang mga malalaki shooter. Pag iniwan mong bukas, 15 feet and below, ilista mo na.
Maganda ang pasok ng reinforcements for Coach Mike Fermin. At naniniwala ako that as the season goes along, they will be better. Pero minsan pag hindi mo pakilala yung makakatapat mo, mahirap kalaban. And again, an offensive rebound. Para dito sa defenders. That is one thing that they have done well here, Coach Abby. Plus 13. We talk about rebounding comparison.
That time around, napuntos nila, nagawa nila ng puntos itong offensive rebounds. Yes, they have more rebounds, Coach Tony, pero hindi nila nare-resulta into points. Thus, that big lead right now by AFP.
Balboa is a quality acquisition, no doubt. Very good rebounder, an able defender. Marata against Bautista. Bautista falling away from the three. Shadow maikli. Malaga tutulak ng bola. Malaga against Eugene Tan. Shakes. Bakes.
Sayang.
Eugene Tan. Bautista to the left flank. Zuniga from the three ball. And again, the three-point basket sa pansampu para sa AFP.
Another defensive stop, another assist for Boyd Bautista, and another three-pointer for the defending champion.
Quick trigger in transition, no problem for Coach Sunny Manukat. Balik sa 16 ang kalamangan ng AFP. Ang concern lang dito para sa AFP, Coach Abby, ay huwag ma-penalty ng maaga.
Kasi pag nape-penalty ka, tumitigil ng oras, binibigyan ka ng free shots para sa kalaban. At yun ang ayaw mo pag ikaw ay lamang ng malaki, which AFP is right now 70-54. 8 minuto na lang po natitira dito sa ating laban.
And again, from the three-point line, still nothing. Eugene Tan fighting and recovering the loose ball. Yan ang mabigat kay Eugene Tan eh. Hindi lang magaling pumasa, mabigat pa rebound.
Pakutak ng maglaro, Coach Ronnie.
Hindi kailangan pumuntos para makatulong.
At malaking tulong ang kuha niya. Hindi makikita sa stats, pero yung pag-control ng tempo, knowing the game management ang ginagawa ni Eugene Tan.
Sabi ni Zuniga, sandali, relax. Poste para kay Kiambao. Illegal screen on that weak side action coming on that post entry.
Hindi pa naka-pwesto ng mabuti itong si Eugene Tan. Kaya napituhan siya ng offensive foul. Hindi pa naka-establish ang kanyang dalawang paa. Gumagalaw pa. Kaya naman bola mapupunta sa Black Shirts.
Malaga to Legaspi on the inside. Help coming from Eugene Tan. This will be the 13th foul para dito sa AFP.
Sinabi mo ako, Johnny, that's one thing that AFP wants to avoid, to be in team penalty. They have 3 fouls now. Actually, they have 5 right now for this quarter. As Tata Marata fouling itong si Boyd Bautista. And Boyd Bautista will go to the line for 2 free throws.
And a good inbound play para sa defenders. They'll give up 2 free throws. But before that, we'll go into a timeout.
Okay, now, on offense. Okay. Tayo nga na, Lon. Marlo na to. Atake natin sa kabila.
Senator Joel to ha. Si Paksal to. Bigay. Dito tayo. Balboa. Dun. Pak. Tignan natin yun ha. Opposite naman tayo. Opposite attack naman tayo. Away from the ball naman. Tara, tara.
Oh, play.
Coach Mike Fermin giving out instructions, Coach Avi, dahil oras ay bumababa. Kalamangan ay nananatili sa 16 para sa AFP. Bautista so far for the defending champions. Total of 15 points. Samahan mo pa ng 3 assists at 4 na steals. 71-54 for the white shirts. Tata Marata playing the point guard position. Marata passes to the right side. Villanueva with a bad pass. Back-to-back turnovers for the black shirts. It's 5-on-3. Bautista stops. Nahawakan ni Fernandez pero naibigay sa kalaban. Legaspi. Villanueva clears out. Boy, Bautista. And extracts the 5th team foul mula sa white shirts. Natawa sa Coach Sani Manukat po sabi.
And you love the effort of Testdaman, itong si Senator Joel Villanueva, not giving up on the play. Nagbitis na nga siya ng unang attempt niya. Got that offensive rebound and he will troop to the line for 2 free throws.
Villanueva so far 5 points. 2 of 8 from the field. Ang hindi natin nakikita yung pagbabalik so far ni Senator Sani Angara.
A former USD Growling Tiger, itong si Senator Joel Villanueva, missing the 2nd free throw.
Tan to Zuniga. Zuniga back to Tan. Tan to Kiambao. Good tip by Marlon Legaspi. Legaspi stops from the 3-point line. Good block out by Eugene Can. Possession swings back dito sa white shirts.
You never want your center to stop and pop in the 3-point area like that after a defensive stop. Not a good possession for the Senate defenders. They're still down big. 16 points with 6 minutes remaining in the game, Coach Ron.
Bautista passes and cuts. Kiambao with a bad pass. Almost a turnover with only 4 seconds left sa shot clock ng AFP. At ang bantay ni Boyd Bautista, Coach Javi, napakatangkat. Zipper cut from Zuniga. Kiambao pops out. Short. Kiambao recovers.
Uy, nice side step.
Was bumped rather, and will go to the line for 2 free throws. Very smart play para dito sa AFP. Able to get a shot off and then grab an offensive rebound.
Sign of a champion, knowing the time, score, and the situation. At nakakuha pa sila ng offensive rebound after that shot. Plus nakabingwit ng foul, but Kiambao, Corporal Kiambao making the 2nd free throw.
3 players in double digits para dito sa AFP Cavaliers. 13 for Araneta. Bautista with 16. That's 29 plus 11 of Kiambao. That's 40 total for the 3-headed dragon ng Cavaliers. Parang hindi na masyado na ibalik si Roger Araneta, no, Coach Abi?
Oo nga, Coach Ronnie. Hindi na kailangan yung shooting prowess ito ni Roger Araneta, who played very well in the first half.
Fly-by move. Oops. Legaspi. Game officials saying tinulak.
And that will be the 3rd team foul for the Senate defenders.
Balboa ang tumulak. Balboa will leave the game for good because of 5 personal fouls.
Nice fly-by move. Personal mintis ni Testdaman. And that foul, as you can see to si Balboa, konting nudge ng kanyang siko. Kita ng ating mga referees at bola mapupunta sa white shirts.
May 2 tangke yung AFP, Fernandez at Kiambao. Hindi naman madaling matumbay si Fernandez. Same play para dito sa AFP. Double down screen for Fernandez. Curls. Twirls.
Better defense for the defenders that time around.
Forward pass. Villanueva to Nang. Double pump. Nang, hindi papasok.
May sinabi pa si Fernandez. Holy
Oo.
ka.
Fernandez. Sasablay. Kiambao. Pupulot.
That is what you like, Coach Ronnie. Hindi mo i-expect na mapuputos na kayong kakampi. Never give up on the play. Go for that offensive rebound. Yan ang ginawa ni Jeffrey Kiambao. Kaya naman mapupunta siya sa free throw line at may dalawang chances siya dyan.
Kadalasan yung ibang players sa opening day hihingalin. Pero you have two big men running the floor, playing the trail. At mahirap bantayan. Pag ganyang kalalaki, rumaraga sa pababa.
May tira pa sa labas.
Oo, 18-point lead. Hawak dito ng AFP under 5 minutes. Natitira sa fourth quarter. We're past the halfway mark. Senator Sani Angara is back in the fray. 3-point attempt coming from Nang. Nothing but air. Nang. Ooh, eludes Kiambao. Mahilig sa hang time move,
yes.
ano?
Mala Joseph Yo itong si Nang. Fearless in his attack. At double pop move resulting into free throws para kay number 8. And that is his second air ball, Coach Ron.
Once he starts working on his free throws at yung kanya mga mid-range shots rather, he'll be a better player dahil di rin basta-basta makalusot dito sa salon dahil ang lalaki ng mga frontline players ng kalaban. 5 points in the fourth quarter para dito sa Senate Defenders versus the 8 points tallied so far ng AFP. Zuniga posting up. Backing down itong si Senator Sani Angara. That's reaching in. There'll be 2 free throws.
Both teams right now are in team penalty with 4 minutes and 11 seconds remaining in the game. As itong si Zuniga, a knockdown left-handed shooter for the defending champions, will troop to the line for 2 free throws.
Good day in the office for Zuniga. 4 assists, 1 rebound. The 7 points for one of the smartest players here in the UNTV Cup.
At Coach Ron hindi nagmintis sa 3-point area. 2 out of 2 from the 3-point area for Zuniga.
Yan yung mga porsyentuhang players, Coach, sabi na tinatawag. Talagang bawat stat department, bibigyan ka ng mga positibong numero. Legaspi. Swinging the ball to the left side. Legaspi with a tip. Fernandez gets the defensive rebound. Under 4 minutes natitira. Bautista against Nang. Bautista. Pinadaan. Sa kilikili ni Nang. Bautista against Villanueva. Bautista forces a turnover. Zuniga. There'll be 2 free throws on the return play. Sani Manukat unhappy. Yung sa huling hotdog play coming from AFP.
And Eugene Tan will foul out of this game as a 3-on-1 situation that time around. Hindi pa na-shoot ng defending champions sa mabigat pa noon. Nakakuha pa ng foul. And 2 free throws para kay Nang.
Meron pang natitirang 3 at 3, Coach Abby. 3 minutes and 33 para sa Senate Defenders na burahin itong 18 puntos na pagkakabaon. Boyd Bautista in complete control of this fourth quarter para dito sa White Shirts. Ball screen. De Fernandez for Bautista. Evidor. Late entry. Barak Evidor hits the 11 3-point basket for AFP. Lead stands at its biggest 21-point bubble. Hawak ng Cavaliers.
Gawin na natin. bigay, away, baba, swing, double cutter. Hindi natin napaparating kasi bola doon, ha? Subukan lang natin. Tara guys. We go song.
78-57 is the fourth quarter count. Pumasok na rin si Garcia para dito sa Senate Defenders. Evidor nailing a 3-ball earlier. Coach Abby, it's going to be a tall order para dito sa kupunan ng Senate Defenders. Joel Villanueva attempting to nail his first 3-ball. Di pa rin papasok. Garcia. Binanda. Valencia. Sumagasa.
A big 21-point lead for the AFP Cavaliers, our defending champions. Para naman dito sa Senate Defenders, Coach Ronnie, it is just the opening match. There's still a lot of basketball left. Even if things are looking bleak right now, marami pa tayong laro, Coach. Napakaraming laro, napakaraming koponan ngayon dito sa UNTV Cup Season 5.
Total of 13 teams joining dito sa ating Season 5. Labing tatlong ahensya ng gobyerno ay magbabakbakan para sa kanilang tangka na sumubok maging kampiyon dito sa ating UNTV Cup. Evidor from the opposite corner. O sabi, tanging 8 puntos ang nagawa dito ng Senate Defenders sa fourth quarter.
It just shows, Coach Ronnie, that the defending champions have not lost any step and they are here to defend the crown. So this will serve as a warning to all teams here sa UNTV Cup Season 5. If you want the championship, you have to beat a very strong and a very well-oiled machine itong AFP Cavaliers.
Ang next play date po natin ay sa September 10. Dito sa ating UNTV Cup Season 5. Simon Valencia off the bench, pumping in a basket as Bautista once again stops and pops on the 3. Stealing a pass. Labayaw. Nakashoot ng 2 puntos para dito sa Cavaliers. Evidor. Gusto magpapawis. Garcia will give up a shooting foul.
Both teams right now are in penalty. So Vicente, Master, Sergeant, Vicente, Evidor will look to the line for 2 free throws.
Mendoza seeing action for the first time. Isa rin sa maayos na miyembro ng frontline ni Coach Sunny Manukat. At kung titignan mo to, Coach Sabi, yung frontline ng AFP, consistent performers yung mga yan. Ang tanging dagdag talaga nitong AFP ay si Boyd Bautista ng last conference na nakatulong sa kanilang title run. Pangalawang kampyonato for AFP in 4 conferences. At ganun din ang hawak ng Medici Magis na hindi naman nakatawid sa semifinals doon sa Season 4. (17 on the shot clock, 1 minute and 38 on the game clock. Garcia loses the basketball. Evidor. Good block coming from Valencia. Galiza against Valencia.
Nice footwork. And a basket.
Difficult move coming from Galiza. Villanueva using his left. Now, put back. And the AFP Cavaliers are only 67 seconds away from pocketing yung kanilang unang panalo dito sa ating Season 5.
Director General Ronald Golding to the line for 2 free throws. And that's been the story of the game for the Senate Defenders. A lot of opportunities, a lot of open shots missed. Minsan tutukan na, rimming in and out. So a lot of things to work on for the Black Shirts.
Golding, isang holdover para dito sa Senate Defenders. Oh, karambola sa ilalim. Villanueva against Galiza. Uses the glass. Good lay in for Villanueva. Under 50 seconds left here in the final quarter. Pascual. Cabayao gets a ball screen. Garcia forwards it to Villanueva. Lead down to 18. Evidor.
Napuntos na sa kanina, Coach Ronnie, from the three-point area.
Oo, kota na.
And Senator Joel Villanueva, another 2 points for him.
9 in the game for the test the man.
Under 10 seconds left, Coach Ronnie, safe to say, first win for the defending champions.
At mukhang may foul pang ibibigay. Galiza scored 2 points, has taken 3 attempts. Total of 19 fourth quarter points para dito sa AFP. Kumpara sa 17 para dito sa defenders. Pero karamihan dyan, dito na sa bandang dulo. And that will be all. That will be all she wrote dito sa ating day 1 ng competition sa pagbubukas ng Season 5 ng UNTV Cup. AFP Cavaliers prevailing by 14 points laban sa kupunan ng Senate Defenders.
Nice way to open up festivities for the AFP Cavaliers, the defending champions, showing why they are the team to beat here in the UNTV Cup as a very dominating performance for the boys of Coach Sunny Manukan.
At sa ngalan po ni Coach Sabi Nunang, ito po si Coach Ronnie Magsanok at ibibigay muna namin kay Miss Wina Villamor para po sa ating best player of the game.
Thank you so much, Coach Ronnie and Coach Javi, and that wraps up our game for today. Of course, we have the AFP Cavaliers winning against the Senate Defenders at makakasama natin ang ating best player of the game. Walang iba, kundi si Boyet Bautista. Ayan. Go ahead, partner.
Yes, partner, hindi na to bago sa atin dahil alam naman natin na last season, si Boyet Bautista ang nag-MVP. At tatanungin natin siya ngayon dahil nag-open na ngayon ang Season 5 ng UNTV Cup. Ano ang masasabi mo unang-una sa management ng UNTV Cup and pangalawa sa lahat ng fans ng AFP Cavaliers?
Siguro unang-una sa management and bumubuo na ito si Kuya Daniel. Napakaganda nung opening natin. Nakita naman natin kung gaano karami yung tao na talagang sumusuporta sa liga na to. And alam ko masaya ang lahat dahil lalo-lalo na yung mga beneficiaries natin. So nagkakaroon na naman sila ng pagkakataon para mabigyan ng magandang pamumuhay. Konting, alam mo yun, yung pera galing dito na dahil sa basketball. So, ayun, nagpapasalamat din ako sa mga sumusuporta sa AFP, sa lahat ng teams na nandyan. Nagpapasalamat din ako sa mga teammates ko kahit na late ako dumating sa practice. Medyo late na kasi ako nakapag-practice, so ayun, medyo pagod, medyo tumaba ang araw ko, sabi ni Sir kanina. So, ayun.
Boyet, I'm sure kanina nakita mo yung line-up ng ibang kupunan. With that line-up, kampante ka pa rin ba na magkakampiyon ng AFP Cavaliers?
Siguro nakita naman natin lahat yung mga bagong line-up. So talagang lahat naglakas. So tatrabahuin lang namin kung ano man yung kaya namin gawin every game. Kaya nga, so late naman kami nakapag-practice. So tatrabahuin talaga namin hanggat makakaya namin yun.
And your greetings lastly, may mga gusto ka bang pasalamatan, batiin para sa laro nito?
Siyempre, unang-una yung family ko, nandiyan sa Bangkal, yung mga kaibigan ko dyan, kumpare ko, lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa AFP, dyan sa Army, mga teammates ko dyan, sa management namin, sa mga teammates ko, sa girlfriend ko nandyan, si Brenda, ayun, yung family niya, sa Kainta, ayun, maraming salamat sa inyong dalawa. Maraming salamat, lagi tayo nagkikita rito.
Okay, maraming salamat sa iyo. The Bullet! Boyet Bautista. See you again soon the next game. Thank you so much.
Of course,
ating best player.
congratulations sa ating AFP Cavaliers for winning their first game here at UNTV Cup Season 5.
Ayan, at next week, hindi pala next week, September 11 ang
yes.
susunod na game. Yan ang aabangan ng ating mga kasambahay. Rina?
So ako po si Rina Villamor at magkita-kita po tayo sa mga susunod na games ng UNTV Cup Season 5.
At ako po muli si Ryan Ramos, ang inyong ka-sports sa lahat ng bumubuo ng UNTV Cup. See you on September 11. Good night. Thank you. Bye-bye.